Dashcams are indeed among those must-have car accessories we all have in our vehicles. And recently, we've decided to change our dashcam, as it was pretty much outdated for now. So we've got our hands on this dashcam from Amazon. This is the Kingslim D4 Pro dashcam. It's got a dual-channel camera setup and an array of intriguing features. So in this video, we're here to give you the lowdown on the Kingslim D4 Pro dashcam. Enjoy! Here's the box it came in, and we can see everything we'd need to set this up inside our car. Here's the power cable we'll be plugging into our car's cigarette lighter. We also see a rear view camera right here. This is our windshield mount, where the camera clips in. Now let's take a look at the camera itself. We have the LED screen right here, and it seems like it swivels around. Interestingly, we can have it facing either toward the front or the cabin. It cannot be used for both unless we set up the rear camera to monitor the cabin instead of the rear view. So if you already have a good rear cam, you can definitely go for that option for both the driver and front view. So it's not exactly what we had in mind, but either way, we believe this camera will suit our needs. In our experience, this inside camera has proven quite handy, especially in steering clear of potential traffic violations. And in case you're interested in the technical specifications, the dashcam shoots video in 4K for the front camera and 2K for the rear camera. So as expected, we found our recorded videos to be crystal clear, offering every detail even in darker lighting conditions. It also offers loop recording, a 3.1-inch LED screen, parking monitor, voice control, Wi-Fi connectivity, and of course, night vision capabilities. Getting connected and controlling this dashcam was quite easy with this one, thanks to its built-in Wi-Fi and GPS features. We could link our D4 Pro to the Kingslim app on our Android or iOS device. To be honest, the app felt very intuitive, and we think this makes video playback and downloads a breeze. The GPS module records your driving route, real-time speed, and location information, offering valuable insights for your journeys. But yeah, to get the dashcam up and running, we had to provide our own microSD card, as it didn't come with one. While the dashcam successfully installed in our vehicle, we can now share our experience. First thing that we absolutely loved is the D4 Pro's super night vision capabilities. Armed with Sony image sensors, 6-layer glass lenses, HDR for the front camera, and WDR for the rear camera, this dashcam excels in low-light settings. At least for the price, it did better than most other dashcams we've used before. Even though we don't have any complaints with the front view camera, but that cabin recording at night might benefit from some additional lighting for optimal results. The main camera offers flexible angle adjustment, and we've set it up for loop recording in 2-minute segments. It also has a feature to detect bumps or accidents and automatically save the video. If we talk specifically about its emergency recording, the D4 Pro offers a range of reliable features. It includes a G-sensor, parking monitoring, and time-lapse. The G-sensor automatically detects sudden jolts or collisions, locking the relevant footage into an event folder. And even when your SD card is full, the loop recording feature will ensure the dashcam keeps rolling by overwriting the oldest videos with new ones. Then we found its hands-free voice control function very useful during our drives. With a total of 9 voice commands at your disposal, operating this dashcam is easier than we thought it would be. Whether we wanted to snap a quick photo, toggle audio, screen settings, or switch between front and rear cameras, this feature made our driving experience better, all while keeping your hands on the wheel. To sum up, we loved more or less every aspect of the Kingslim D4 Pro dashcam. Loved its handy features. Our driving experience was great. It offers superior safety and recording capabilities. So if you want a dashcam that captures high-quality 4K and 2K footage, keep an eye on the inside, or enjoy hands-free voice control, this dashcam is a no-brainer at this price point. So if you're interested in this dashcam setup, check out the link in the description for more information. Thanks for watching, and subscribe if you find this review helpful. Drive safe, and see you in the next video.